What's up, guys? It's a Friday, and I am going to be talking about the OLSP Academy or the OLSP system. If you guys are here for an update, I wanted to just go over the new site. It's been now a good, I think so, now a couple of 4 weeks that it's been live. And it's a new month. It's the month of April. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on things. And as I mentioned, there's always a link in the description in case you want to join our free trainings every Tuesday and Saturday, which I definitely recommend everybody to join even if you're interested just to know a little bit more. So those trainings are available. And I wanted to give you guys a little bit of updates, share my experience so far with the new site. I personally am loving this. If you guys didn't know, I have been a member of the OLSP system for the last 5+ years. I don't know exactly when I joined, but I joined a long time ago and I've seen its evolution. It is also my backend product, guys. It is what I focus on. Nonetheless, we will go over the details with you, and obviously you can get started and come for these trainings absolutely for free. So the link will be in the description. I'm just going to go over multiple things in this video, but I will also link other videos with resources that I have, basically 2 other videos that I've done prior to this one, which will give you an overview of the OLSP system. And secondly, and from a member's point of view, first and foremost, and secondly, it will also give you the different membership levels that are available so you can make an informed decision where you want to join and how you want to join. I will say that if you do decide to get started with the OLSP system, on one of the higher levels, for example, the live community builders, live profit builders or the community builders, I definitely would love to have a conversation with you, work together with you so that we have all the resources and all the help that you can need for building a strong affiliate backend offer, can generate your stability in terms of income also online in 2026 and moving forward. Let's get into it. So guys, the OLSP Academy is literally turned into an academy. Okay, I don't focus on the money aspect of it. I really focus on the training that's available. And one of the key elements of the training that is there is that they have twice a week. You can see actually more than twice a week, but the main events for new members is on a Tuesday. So usually on blueprint training on a Tuesday, and then we have a system unlock training, which is on a Saturday usually. So this is the scenario. If you do join, when you do join, there is a calendar view over here, and if you click on the calendar view, you'll be able to see the events that are planned for the entire month or the couple of weeks that they have put forward, and then you'll see it gets updated all the time, so you can always find those links in the calendar. But for that, obviously you need to get your free account. What are the updates that I wanted to talk about? First and foremost, the website is working really well. It's very smooth. It's got a very simple concept, and I'll explain to the concept for you guys. It is basically to get people onto the live training so that regardless if you get started or not, you are learning the skill sets of affiliate marketing. You're learning how to create, and then if you're interested in something more serious or more in-depth, you can always go and check out the other trainings that they have. But it's going to be an academy with a lot of challenges that are there every single month and much more. Okay, but primarily we want you guys to come to the event, or that the live event, so that you can actually get to know a little bit more about the OLSP system as well as the entire blueprints and trainings that we have available. So the events is the key over here, but even as a free member, you'll get access to the skill center. And in the skill center, they have updated it really nicely. I really like the way that they've updated this. So it's based on memberships. And guys, I will honestly tell you that from my perspective, I'm a VIP in OLSP. So, I've really put in the time, money, and effort to be here. And also I believe in the project for a long time. I've been a part of it for the last 5 years. And I like the fact that they have the levels that are available. So there are membership levels that are available. And in a nutshell, I'll just give you an idea what the membership levels are so that you see the benefits. Basically, you start as a free level, then you have the mega link, then you have the live profit builders, community builders. These are the main ones. And then if you are ready to go to VIP, not everybody's accepted as a VIP, but if you are ready to go to VIP, then that's available for you. And the same is with elite. Okay, so these are not always available. These are available based on the time and the effort, because we take a lot more personalized approach on these 2 levels for everybody. These are the main ones that are there, so you can get access to the free where you will be able to get access to the skill center. And in the skill center, as you can see, this is an update that they've done. They have all the level training, so you'll only, if as a free member, you'll only have access to this. But if you click on Megalink, it filters only the Megalink training that's available. And then if you want live profit builders, you'll have live profit builders that's available. Okay, so that, and the others, so on and so forth. So that is what is there. They're still adding some trainings here, guys, but for now, just to let you know that this, when you're a Megalink, you get access to these four main trainings over here. One is a Facebook training, and the other one is the Viral Hub, which is going to help you actually. So it goes hand in hand, these two trainings, right? This shows you how to build a solid Facebook strategy for yourself, which you can apply actually to any other social media platform, just saying. And then also you can use the tool, which is the Viral Hub, and it trains you how to use the tool to get credits and go viral on that specific social media platform, so you get more visibility. Any kind of warm list that you're building, engagement is key in social media and content creation. So this tool is very, very valuable in my opinion, and I've been loving it. Okay, so this is one of the updates that has come, the Viral Hub training, which is a new one, as well as it's there an advanced training for the live profit builders. Now we do have challenges that happen every single month, at least once a month. These challenges are there, and these challenges, if you're at the Megalink level, so which is $7 by the way, if you're at the Megalink level, you have to pay for these challenges. But if you do decide to go to the live profit builder level, or the community live profit builder level and community builder level, then you will get access to those challenges absolutely for free. So simply put is that if you decide to go to live profit builders, you have multiple options that are available for earning capabilities and training, but you also have all the challenges which you can learn obviously actively with us as a community together, because I will also be a part of it, those challenges absolutely for free. So that's the advantage of also going to live profit builders. Okay, I just wanted to say that so that you guys understand that this is the one of the updates that's there. Everything is done on this website. That's the key element that I want you guys to understand, from a community aspect to live trainings to engaging and talking to people. So the community is not just different groups like you would have on school or Facebook and stuff like that. Yes, they have those community groups that are available, and these are right now only for the company, right? So only for OLSP they create these new communities. But, and you can see, for example, I have a VIP community right here, and this is where I can spend my time talking to other VIP members, and also exchanging and getting to know, networking, and so on and so forth. So it's quite useful in terms of community, because you don't feel alone in affiliate marketing. Many times we do feel alone in what we do, so this is why I think the community aspect is really cool. And then we also have the chat rooms. These chat rooms are there depending on which levels you're at. As a free member, you won't get access to all of this, but Megalink, which is $7, you get access to the the Megalink chat, and you can talk to the other members also to see how they are, or rather network with them as well, and improve this entire process, right? But obviously these two elements are really important, because it means that you're in contact with everybody. But that is one aspect of the community. The second aspect of the community is the live trainings itself. The live trainings itself happen on the website, guys. Over here it'll come in red on the top and the bottom when it's live, and you can click on it and just join. So it's not like a third party Zoom or something else somewhere else that you have to go, webinar platform. Everything is on this website, so it's really smooth, and I don't think you will lose out on any events if that's the case. Because if you want to know what's live right now, you just click here and you'll be able to see what's live. Right now nothing is live, but you can see the upcoming events if you want. And then, for example, even if you missed one, obviously it's best to be there, but let's say you missed one, then you'll get access to the replay as well here. Okay, so these are the elements that are there. These are the new live features. Then they do have the leaderboard. Nothing has changed for the leaderboard. The hub sites are available only from live profit builders onwards, not Megalink. Hub sites are pretty cool, and it will be very helpful in the future, but we'll do another training on that at some other point of time. And then you'll also have your AI profile, which is helping you with content to promote these events based on your voice, based on your story, based on your personality. It is unique to you. It's not unique to everybody. It's not the same generic thing. It's unique to you. So those are the main things. I just want to go quickly and share with you my balance. I have about $137 now pending in my account. So the earning side is really also quite cool. They have the dashboard that's available right here, which basically they've also done a nice update here on the dashboard where you can see your leads and you can see your transactions below. And you can see right here, you earn when you're at different levels, depending on which level you're at, you earn from the trainings itself. So when people join the trainings, you can see I got 0.5 cents here, 0.5 cents here, $1 here. This is because people have joined. They didn't buy anything, they just joined the live trade. So if you are a live profit builder and above, then you get access to these commissions as well. And then you can see bonus from the viral hub. This is, you can actually get earning, you can get paid for using the tool, which is the viral hub itself. So it's quite nice to see. And I'm a VIP, so I get second level commissions as well. But this is just to give you guys an understanding that it is there. The nice thing about this is that if you go to, I don't believe it's transactions, but I'm going to try to be careful and not show you any details. But if you go to leads, all right guys, so I just went to leads to show you guys, and I had to zoom in because I don't want to give you like details of all the leads, but they've done an update here which is quite cool, which I see is something that I wanted to share with you. Also, it was not available on the website before. Maybe the tracking has to get better, and it will get better. But for now, they've added these filters in case you're wondering, like, who are your free leads, right? We want to be targeted. This is a warm list that we're building. This is a list that we're building, which has, you need to have these communications, those conversations, those be helpful. At the end of the day, we're helping people learn skill set for affiliate marketing, and therefore we want to be helpful in this scenario. So how do we see that? In case we want to see the free leads, we can just click over here and it filters out only the free leads. If you want to see people who have bought the mega link from you, you can click there. Live profit builders and community builders and so on and so forth, right? Now you can see these are only information on from the new site. It's not from the old site yet. You'll see the available members right here that are there. Okay, so this is available for you. These filters I think are pretty cool. It was done, by the way, as I'm a VIP, I have access to also like group coaching and mastermind calls. And the developer actually did this while we were on call based on the feedback. So they are listening to us as a community. So LSP is definitely something that is not just, doing things randomly, and is listening to the community that they have so that they build for us. So this was another nice, interesting update that was there. Then, by the way, I just wanted to say, in case you need to contact your upline, you can always click there and contact your upline. Right now it's showing myself because of different reasons, but this is where you can have a look at it. Okay, I'm just going to zoom out so that everything is pretty clear. But yeah, this is where you can contact your upline, and then you can have sessions right here. This just shows you where you're logged in and how, and then you have your account. So these are the main updates. The other thing that it happens is, even as a free member, or rather as a megalink member, you get access to the leaderboard. So there's a bonus prize that's there every single month that is up to, I think, 17,000 totally. That is based on the points that you earn, and those points will definitely get you to ranking over there. So it's a nice system that they have in place. But more or less, this is the updates. There's not much to say. Sometimes I think about it and I'm like, do you guys need training on anything specific? Like, if you want to understand everything, it's all on the live events first and foremost, and secondly, it's in the skill center. So you have an academy that's available for you to learn the skills and apply. We want you guys to take action. We want everybody, including myself. I'm personally taking action because of the training that's there. And so I keep myself responsible, coming here, making sure I have access to it. And if I don't, I get prompted all the time to get on a live to learn more and apply it. Because sometimes, guys, unfortunately, in this space, we need a lot of touch points before it clicks in our head and says, okay, these are actual skill sets. This is not something that's, fly by night. It's not some push button software. It's not something that happens over a cup of coffee or you just join it. No, you're learning skills. You're applying those skills. When you apply those skills, you can start to generate an income for yourself, not just with the OLSP system, but with other offers and services also out there, because at the end of the day, the skills, and you're applying those skills. So I hope this is clear. This is just a quick video which I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of the updates, because the last couple of videos was just giving you an overview of everything, and today I just wanted to share with you the updates. There will be more coming out, so stay tuned. If you want to follow my OLSP journey, then feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for future videos. I personally, as I said, I've really done well with it so far, and it has been generating me commissions every single day. If I just really go to transactions, you'll see right from I'll go to the first page so that you can see from March 23rd, every single day, guys, I've got commissions. So you can see right here till the 25th here, and from the 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, 2nd. This is till today at the time of when I'm shooting this video, which is the 4th, just before Easter, but it will come out at the end of next week. So you'll be able to see it. But every single day commissions are coming in, small, big, it really doesn't matter, as long as you are starting to build this asset for yourself, right? And that's how I look at it in terms of a resource that is for me to apply the skills. And when I apply the skills, I'm also getting monetized for it. Once again, if you want to learn about more about Facebook, if you want to check out what's happening, just join us at our next event, and which is tomorrow, by the way. It is a Friday that this video is coming out. Tomorrow's the event. The link is in the description. It's going to be the first link. You can check it out there. And I'm going to see you guys on the training. Have a great day and keep paving the way for dreams to come true.